everybody? Upasho, are you ready? Okay, so please open your English grammar book and copy. Okay, grammar book and copy. Grammar book, Firoz. Firoz. Firoz, how are you? Firoz, where are you? After the many days you have joined first today. Huh? Yes. Good morning everybody. Good morning. Firoz, open your, everybody please open your. Devopriya Mondal, where is your hair, beta? It has gone. Hair? Lockdown has taken. Okay, you are looking very nice. Suzanne, Devopriya Mukherjee, everybody, Upasho, okay. But Firoz and Devopriya Mondal, last day also I have seen you, but I could not recognize. But Firoz, Srestha is doing class every day. Srestha, Shamriddho, Kaushik, everybody. And Ahana, Poshmit, they are doing. But why you are not doing, Firoz and Devopriya Mondal? Okay, now we can do the class. Today I will start again the chapter comparison. Comparison, last chapter number 9, comparison. So last I told you that also YouTube class also I told that when two persons we are just comparing, that time we are telling that we are adding ER. Like this more also we can add. Like this I told, beautiful, more beautiful, tall, taller, big, bigger, short, shorter, and fat, fatter. Everything I have told. Thick, thicker. So more beautiful, more beautiful. So here so many things are there. Again, if I am telling here only two-person comparison, two-person, not only more than two. More than two, I have told that time we can add EST, tall, taller, tallest. Just I have given, I'm giving here one example. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Here I think I will write from this side so you can understand. Tall, two-person comparison, taller and tallest. Here this tallest you are not having. Just I am telling about that. Tall, taller, tallest, thick, thicker, thickest. Thick, thicker, thickest. So when we are comparing two-person, when we are comparing two persons or things, we are adding ER. We are adding ER or more. This is also you are having in your book. Okay, Firoz, are you not writing? Where is your copy? I have seen you that you were simply sitting. Okay, open your copy also or book. Page number 22. Now we can just tell here that comparison between Only two. Comparison between only two. Page number 21. Page number 21. Okay. Page number 21. What happened? Firoz, what happened? Ahanap, you cannot listen. I think you are, and Devopriya Mukherjee, you cannot see the full board. Full board, I am just here. You can see, I think. Look that last things I have written. That things again I will write in this. That comparing two things. When we are comparing two things or persons, we add ER. Okay, we add ER. I am just here, you can see the board. I think you can see the board. So here, tree is taller than a bush, scale is longer than a pencil, pillar is thicker than the lamp post. Pooja is 6 years old, Neha is 8 years old. So here you can think that older, old, older, oldest. Okay, old, older, oldest. Only we can write like this. But when we are comparing three things, that time we are telling that we are adding EST. EST. But this is not in your book, so I am not telling that. Only just I have given one example. Okay, three things, more than two things. That time we are adding EST or most. Okay. Also we use more, most. Like this I told you last day, tall, taller, tallest. Here another thing I can write, beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, M-O-R-E, more beautiful, most beautiful. Most beautiful. Okay. So three things I told you, only these three things for most beautiful. I am telling that beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Here also I told add ER or we use more. So here only one example, another example I am giving. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Thick, thicker, thickest. EST we have add when we are comparing more than two, more than two. So three things. And here beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Okay, Ayush, what happened? And who told you 70 Devoshmita that I cannot see you properly? I can't see the board properly. I think you are having net problem because board is here very clear to me. Okay. Please once you leave, then again you will join. When we are comparing two things or persons, we add ER or more. And beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, I have given just an example that only more than two things we can use most beautiful or EST. So page number 22 we can go. Page number 22 we can go that. Here tick the correct words in the bracket. The table is bigger. I am just writing and I am just writing page number 22. Number 1, table is bigger than the stool, obviously bigger. Number 2, the rope is shorter than the belt. Rope is shorter or longer? Please tell that. Longer. Yes. longer, only you can take it. Number 3, Sanjay is fatter or thinner than Anil. Sanjay, you can see that, fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R. Number 4, grandfather is older or younger. I told you that old. If I am 6 years old, if you are 7 years old and someone is 6 years, your sister or brother is 6 years old or 5 years old, that time you are older than your sister. So here grandfather is older. Take it. So number 5, the dictionary is thinner or thicker. You know that this is your English book, English grammar book or English book. So here I told you that thinner or thicker, dictionary is too much thick. So number 5, it is thicker. Number 6, football is smaller or bigger? Bigger than cricket ball. So here I am writing bigger, I can. Number 6, bigger. And number 7, the boy is heavier or lighter than baby? Obviously heavier. Number 7, heavier. So I think you have completed. Okay, very good. 5, 6, 7, yes, very good. Then number 8, the rabbit is bigger or smaller? Rabbit is bigger or smaller than the dog? Rabbit is, you can see that, smaller. Number 8, smaller. Number 9, Shruti's hair is longer or shorter than the Bidhu's hair? Shruti's hair, Bidhu's hair, Shruti's hair is longer. Number 10, the giraffe snake is shorter, longer than the horse snake? Giraffe snake is shorter or longer? Obviously longer. Giraffe snake is longer than horse snake. So here one thing you should remember, that we are using always than, T-H-A-N, when we are comparing some things. That time comparing two person, we are using than. Okay, than, T-H-A-N. Please remember this. So page number 23, we can do the fill in the blanks. Page number 23 and see. Camel is than a horse. Camel is taller than a horse. Okay? Taller. Please write in your book. I think everybody is writing. Camel is taller than a horse. June is dash than January. Hotter. June is hotter than January. Number 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. An aeroplane is faster than train. Faster. Number 4. A bus is bigger than a car. Bigger. Number 5. Number 5. Elephant is heavier than a cow. Elephant is heavier. Number 6. The tap water is cleaner than river water. Cleaner. C-L-E-N-E-R. Cleaner than river water. 7. An ant is smaller than a butterfly. So number 7, smaller. So number 1, I am writing this. Number 8, peacock is more beautiful than a crow. Here, more beautiful. beautiful. More beautiful than a crow. So here, this chapter I have completed. So next day I will start the revision chapter. Again you can see that hotter, faster, bigger, heavier, cleaner, smaller. So one thing I can tell you, 3 things, okay? Full board. Why you cannot see? I could not understand, because here I am showing the full board. Okay. One thing I am just telling, hot, hotter, hottest, fast, faster, fastest, big, bigger, biggest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, clean, cleaner, cleanest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay. All these things, again, I am telling because when you are comparing two, that time we are using than. Again, also when we are comparing more than two, that time we are using most and also est. These things it is not in your book, but please remember that. I told you that more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Okay, beta. Sudeshna, I think you have done all these things in your book. Again, I am telling hot, hotter, hottest, fast, faster, fastest, big, bigger, biggest, heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, heavier, heaviest, clean, cleaner, cleanest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, very good. I think everybody has done all these things. And next page, page number 24, I can just discuss one thing. Page number revisions, arrange this word to form sentences. You can also open your page number 24 and one sentence I am just doing. Page number 24, this is a revision. Okay. Herself Madhu wanted pet for. So here Madhu wanted a pet for herself. Number 1, I am writing Madhu wanted a pet for herself. Number 2, keen tiger she was by. Okay, so okay beta, you have done in your copy. Okay, no problem, very good. Pet for herself, Susan has written, and those who did not write, you can write in your book. So she was keen to buy a tiger. She was keen to buy a tiger. Number 3, like stripes she the tiger on black body the. She was keen to buy a tiger. Who has written it? Lisa also you have written. So like stripes she the tiger. She liked tiger's black stripes on the body. Okay. So she liked tiger's black stripe on the body. So these 3 sentences I have done. Next day I will do another sentences. Please write. Those who are present, please write yes or present. I am just telling that. Deboshmita, Ahana, Oshmit, Amarto Niyogi, Ayush Pal, Debopriya Mukherjee, Debopriya Mondal, Kaushik, why are you not muting your microphone? Lisa Khatun, Kaushik Ghosh, Kritika Pal, Purbayon Mondal, Shamridho Mondal, Shrestha Ghosh, Firoz Haq, Somagni De, Firoz Haq today is new, sir. Firoz Haq, F-E-R-O-Z, Firoz Haq. Suzanne Parvin, Upasya Dului, Sudesna Pal. Shrestha Ghosh, yes, everybody. Debopriya Mondal, Debopriya Mukherjee. Okay, beta, so very good. And you will do your work. Next day I'll do another works. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Bye. Have a nice day. If you are having any problem, yes, Ahana Pamin, I told fast. Yes, beta. And okay, Kaushik also. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.